All right. All right, good afternoon, class. Today, we're going to be learning about how to find the surface area of a pyramid, okay? And so, we can find the surface area of any three-dimensional shape, whether it's a prism, rectangular prism, or a cube, but today we're going to be looking at the pyramid, okay? So what I need y'all to do is get your notes out, your notebooks, and write down our learning target for today, which is that I can find the surface area of the pyramid. Okay? So take a second. So while you're writing that down, question?
What are you really supposed to?
Yeah, write it down. So while you're writing that down, I'm going to go over what I drew up here. It's not perfect, that's okay. This is what's called a net. So, this is as if we took our pyramid, right? Picture a three-dimensional pyramid, and we unfolded it, right? And it's going to help us visualize how we can find the surface area. So, there's a couple different ways of doing it. I could just give you the formula, because there are formulas for surface area, right? But, that's kind of boring, right? If I just give you a formula and you plug and chug some numbers, we don't want to do that, right? So what we're going to do is discover a new way of finding the surface area with some stuff we already know how to do, okay? So, in order to think of the surface area, we need to know area in general, right? So what shapes do we have up here?
Triangle, square.
Yeah, we got a square and we got 4 different triangles, right? That's what makes up a pyramid. So, we need to know, how can we find the area of a triangle? How do we find the area of a square? So, hold on, hold that thought. So, this is for the square, right? How do we find the area of a square? What is it? Alright, base times height, right? But in a square, all the sides are the same, right?
Or you could do square.
Yeah, that's squared, right? So it's the same thing, but usually with the square, we write it as side square because all the sides are the same length, right? So that's going to be helpful in our journey of finding the area, the surface area of the pyramid, right?
Right.
Okay. So then, what about a triangle?
You have to have one half, right? This is half of a triangle.
Yeah, exactly. Well, not half of a triangle, but half.
A big square.
Yeah, a square or a rectangle. So to help you visualize, if we had a rectangle here, okay? We know that the rectangle, what's the area for that? Alright, so we know it's base times height, right? But we know a triangle, if we took the diagonal and erased it, we end up with our triangle, but how much of that rectangle did we erase? Half, right? So we're going to also multiply it by 1/2, okay? And so that's how we find the area of a triangle, right? So in our shape here, our triangle, what would our height be?
5.
5, right? And our base would be what? 8. Okay. So keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do is pass out a piece of paper with this net on it. And knowing that this is our area formulas, I need you all to try to figure out what would the surface area be, okay? And remember, I'm not giving you a surface area formula. So work together, try to figure it out, okay? All right, so I'm going to pass this out. Actually, can I get a volunteer? Pass this out. Bree, you want to pass this out? Thanks. Thanks, Bree. All right, well, I'm going to angle the camera over here for you. Try to figure this out.
Thanks, Bree.
All right, don't mind this camera, y'all. Yeah, go ahead. All right, so you all need to work in your groups. Try to figure this out, okay? So.
Okay, so we would have to find the area of the triangle, and wouldn't we like times 4 because it's 4 of them? Yeah. So the area of the triangle first. Yeah. So it'd be like 5 times 8. Yeah. Or it's gotta be 20. So all the triangle
The area of a square is 8 times 5,
Yeah, but
or s squared. So it would be
That's what y'all think.
so all the triangles would equal 20 because 5 times 8 equals 40 times 1/2 that equals 20.
What?
So that's
It's
that.
going to be 144.
And then
When they here to be 144.
But, you know, work together and try to figure it out.
Yeah. 5 times 8 times like
yeah, so
25.
24
It's
80
8 times by 4 equals
plus 64.
5 times 8 times by 2 is 7.
so you add
What do
Then
you
times 4.
so you get 84.
Right. Times 5
So you
half.
add this
The triangle. Right? 20. Times by 4 because 4 triangles. So there, right there is 80. Then plus 8 squared.
units.
So I got
64.
square area
The 80
equals
plus 64
144.
would be 144, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the answer?
What
144.
did you get?
You think 144?
84.
Did you guys add the 20s?
Oh, you're gonna do all 4 of them.
You have to do all 4 of them.
Yeah.
That's what it said. It's 20 times 4. And 20 times 5.
Can you remember we got it done?
You think you got it?
Yep.
Alright, I'll take it in a second. Yeah, that's Alright, so what's happening?
So here we have 4 triangles, okay?
Okay.
So we have to find the area of all 3 of them, and then you add them together, and that will
Okay.
be 80. And then
And how- what'd you get 80 at?
we did 20 times 4 since there's 4 triangles.
Okay. Where'd you get 20 then?
We did 5 right here and then 8. That's
Okay, so that's 40 and a half.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay, and then we did the area of this. And now,
64.
yep.
Okay.
So we added them all together.
Nice. Nice, awesome. And so there aren't any particular units here. If they give you like inches or something,
Emma, we're
then we
basically
want to throw
cut
that in
out.
there.
But we just square it.
So see how we didn't need a formula for that?
No.
Because there is a formula, but what's interesting with this is the pyramids, they take into account the slope, right? So the formula's kind of big and messy. And so we didn't need to get into that, right? We could just use the net to find the surface. Alright, so what I want you all to do now is we see how it's 2-dimensional, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass out some scissors. You all try to make this into that 3D shape, right?
That'd
so
be
cut it
easy.
out and see if you can figure out how to do it, right?
That'd be easy.
It is pretty easy. It's not too hard. You're all smart. You'll be able to do it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not in there. Yeah, I would do that.
There you go. One for you.
Thank you.
You.
Jordan.
And
It's
you.
them two and you.
What's you?
The recording. Them two.
Yes,
At us. Just remember I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
You want tape or anything? Try to make it hold.
That's good.
You got it? I try to make a little puzzle. So, this is kind of like a 2-part lesson, right? Of surface area, but also understanding what a net is. So, it's not like a fishing net, right? Or anything like that. But, we get it? I'm gonna go help them out. Make sure we all are able to fold it up, okay?
You got it. You got it, Anna. Do you need help, Jordan?
All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Everybody seems to been able to find the surface area, so that's good. We got any further questions about that?
No.
Anybody? No?
It's easy.
All right, so what we'll end up doing then is getting into different figures, so prisms and stuff like that. Which think of like a tissue box. What kind of prism would that be? Rectangular, right? So we can do the same thing, finding the surface area of that, but using a net as well. All right. Cool. Good work, everybody.